Beautiful melody. No from long time the birth of mankind. So we are going to make we understand each other. Today, we just going to learn each other. Everything good. So when we do this, Mr. Drummer and Mr. Bass, remember, when we do this, I need a little more tempo. So right now, we could start it again. 1. You ready? Fire off a blaze today because it's serious from today. It's getting closer and closer. Everything tight now. So, kick it. Preserve life later on. Black gold and genuine. Black and beautiful melody. No from lifetime, first of mankind. Preserve life later again. I'm a real black gold, genuine soul. Wild and soul. From day on to us brave and bold. A billion together, a billion blackness, a billion order, a billion black fist, a billion power show. Black people know we black self. Black powder can be black shell. Black medicine preserve black health. Black riches restore black wealth. Black gold and genuine. Gold and genuine. Black and beautiful melody. No from long time, first of mankind. Preserve life like true. Gold and genuine. Black and beautiful melody. Long knowledge. Black African. Lalibel and Axon. To be black, shout it out loud. You mean that in a head road. Reveal that, believe that. A billion together, that's a billion blackness. Billion orders, a billion practice. Billion power show up, a billion practice. Billion families and the most black people know black shell. Black powder can be black shell. Black store genuine. Black and beautiful melody. I'm not from long time, first of mankind. Preserve life later on them. Gold and genuine. Black and beautiful melody. I'm not from long time, the first of mankind. Preserve life later on them. Gold and genuine. So talk before, it's not seen. That's why you wanna kill us with them vaccine. One thing I'm certain, it's like hurting. So watching scroll from days of old. I'm bringing yeah, but you have to go watch it, you're going to stab you in your back. Alright. If she's virtuous, maybe she in front of you, but you have to watch if she can run away with the money. So, it just makes sense. We have a virtuous. And all of a woman them, my mothers them, just study the weight of virtue. It won't hurt you. Mama, we got you. Yes, Mama, we got you. Mama, we got you. No more bombs in Africa. No more guns in Africa. No more war in Africa. We need some more stars in Africa. From the Ivory Coast and to the River Nile. Every acres and every mile. Every acres and every mile. To the side of Africa's mind. Them scattered in all different ground. Africa forever, God will have a brother road. People without a nation to call your own. Living as a people without. Through the passage of time and they don't realize. People as a sleeping giant, wakes up return through the signal. So thought it purifies the constitution. It is a never nation. And what? All of my brothers and sisters, what? All of the misses and misters, Christian misters, come along. We got you, mama, mama, mama. We got you, mama, mama, mama. We got you, mama, mama, mama. We got you, now. Mama, we got you now. Mama, we got you now. Mama, we got you. Thank you. Take it away. Nairobi. Chop chop boss. I'm TreaJah. Beat you and kill you. Westernize you. Through music, art and culture, I come to do it. To Africanize my people them again. You show me Africa. Serious. Yeah. Africa revolution, Africa development. Conscious revolution. Conscious development. Show me and say, yeah man, remember this. Mama Africa alone. Africa will fight if we have to. It's necessary.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, goosebumps. When I hear this song, goosebumps. That's to show you how much is important for Jamaican to make it come to Africa. Mama Africa, how are you? I'm feeling fine and I hope you're fine too. Love Mama Africa, how are you? I hope when you hear these words, my page turned blue. Turned blue. Singing this verse to let you know how much I care and I won't let go. Even though we are oceans away, you're with me day by day. Memories of you keep flashing to my mind. I
Watch out for the friend. The real friend. And the fake friend. Watch out. Balance. A friend indeed is a friend indeed. Why don't you like it when we proceed? You want food and we want a good seed. What more chance will you have get to? Right now, joined by a very talented reggae artist. Najua sijui ni mara ngapi mtaona reggae artist kwa show, lakini I want to welcome him. He'll tell you more about himself as we continue with the conversations. So karibu sana Mr. TreaJah Boy.
Up to the time, TreaJah Man, yeah.
TreaJah Man, TreaJah Boy. I think we can't wait for that beautiful music. You know, Kenya loves reggae music. Kenya really loves reggae music. Yeah, I think even back then when we were growing up, reggae musicians used to fill up event stadiums. So I think reggae is people are getting more conscious right now with music. And I wanted to ask you why reggae music? Why not any other genre? There's hip hop, there's rhythm and blues. Why reggae?
Yeah, I would ask myself the same thing. I used to sing in the church to be Rasta. When you said Rasta, I will have to emphasize on Rasta because it doesn't must have to be a taller man who is depicted or looked upon as a Rasta. You see me? Yeah. Rasta is a movement.
It's a movement. Yeah.
So first, you know, say if you don't understand, then you look to Rastafari, which I listen.